Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Finance with Avern. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a simple way you can get a $200 cash sign-up bonus after opening a new checking account with Bank of America and meeting a couple of criteria. And Bank of America is a large bank. There's a good chance you've seen the Bank of America on the road, you've seen the commercial, you've seen ads for it online somewhere, somehow. Bank of America is the second largest bank in the United States based on total assets. Yes, they are massive. Bank of America is massive for sure. So yeah, there is a chance you've had a checking account with them in the past, but there is a possibility of you still being eligible for this account depending on when you had that account closed. This is a very simple, easy bonus. We're going to get into the details. I'm going to tell you about the fine print so you know how to effectively and easily get this $200 sign-up bonus without any hassles, without any, concerns or wondering, did I do everything I needed to? When am I going to get the money? What kind of account do I need? All of that. So let's get into it right here. So yes, $200 cash sign up bonus for new checking account customers. Now that means you cannot have had a checking account with Bank of America for the past 12 months. It has to be closed since before then. So if you've had an account with Bank of America in the past, you can still qualify for this promotion. It just can't be within the past 12 months that you've had this account. So, and there's 3 different accounts that you can open with Bank of America to get this $200 sign-up bonus. And I'm going to go into details of how you can avoid the monthly maintenance fee because they all, as you see right there, have a monthly maintenance fee. So first up here, how to qualify for this bonus. Step 1 is you need to enroll in this offer by opening a new Bank of America personal checking account through their offer page by January 31st, 2024. And I'm going to have the link to this promotional page from Bank of America down in the description, or you can Google it. It's not a referral link, so I'm not getting anything if you open this account. I'm not affiliated with Bank of America, anything like that. Just want to provide information about this opportunity. So yeah, have the account open by January 31st, 2024. And there's also a promotional code that you can enter if it's not automatically set up. Usually when you open up an account through these promotional websites, you'll have the promotional code will be embedded pretty much in the process. So you'll see it somewhere. But if you see a space for offer code and you don't notice it already in there, enter the offer code right here. I'm going to highlight it. And it's all capitalized TWA200CIS. I believe that is an I and not a 1. I would just copy and paste it from the website just to be sure. And it also states down here in the fine print, it looks like an I because it looks like right here, I'm going to highlight it right here as well. As you see, TWA200CIS. That is the offer code right there. So definitely copy that code and make sure you paste it into that section if it's not already there when you open in the account. So you need to do that by January 31st, 2024. That is the first step. Now, after that step, what you'll need to do to qualify for this bonus is set up and receive qualifying direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more into that new account within 90 days of account opening. So you have to have direct deposit going into that account with a total of at least $2,000 or more within 90 days. Now, it doesn't have to be all at once. You can spread that out through 90 days. If you get paid every 2 weeks, put a certain amount in this account to make sure that you're going to equal that $2,000 or more within 90 days. You can spread it out. You could do it in a lump sum, change your direct deposit, hit that total in a month, 2 months, however you get paid or however you want to do it, and then have that gone. And you can, keep using the account and everything if you like it, or, just kind of see how you like the account and make sure you keep the account open until you get your cash bonus. Definitely, for sure. Like if you're just doing this just to get the cash bonus, you're like, oh, I'll check out the account, but I'm probably just going to close it because, I don't know. Definitely keep the account open long enough to get the cash bonus. And who knows, you may even like the account. I've done this before with other accounts, the sign up bonus, and kind of been, motivated to do it because of the sign up bonus. And then turns out like, hey, I kind of like the features and I like the way the app looks with this account and so on and so on. So you never know. But yeah, that is the second step right there. And a qualifying direct deposit, that is an important part right there. You see that highlighted. Qualifying direct deposit. What is a qualifying direct deposit? Let me make this bigger right here. All right, there it is. So a qualifying direct deposit is a direct deposit of regular monthly income, such as your salary, pension, or Social Security benefits, which are made by your employer or other payer, using account and routing numbers that you provide to them. So it has to be your account and routing number for this new checking account that you've opened with Bank of America. Examples of non-qualifying transfers, so things that won't qualify as a direct deposit, are the following: teller deposits, wire transfers, debit card transfers, ATM transfers or deposits, online and mobile banking transfers or deposits, or transfers from a bank or brokerage account or Merrill investment account. So any of those will not qualify as a direct deposit. And also, they don't state it on here, but it also doesn't include like peer-to-peer payments. Like you can't pay yourself via Venmo or get somebody to send you money via PayPal and Venmo into this account or something like that. That will not qualify for direct deposit as well. So all of those right there will be non-qualifying direct deposits, including, of course, the ones that they state here on the page in Bank of America. I just wanted to make sure, because sometimes they state that for other qualifying direct deposits with different banks and financial institutions, but Bank of America doesn't say that specifically here, but I'm pretty sure that would not qualify, because a peer-to-peer payment, like from Venmo to you and to this account or whatever like that, is not included in that first part, like a salary, pension, or Social Security benefits. So that would not qualify. So that's going to be your main way. Most of the time, people are going to get this qualifying direct deposit through their employer, wherever you work. Like I say, however you get paid, every 2 weeks, every month, or however, just get some of that or all of that, however much you want, direct deposit it into this new checking account. And so those are the two main steps right there. So that's all you need to do. 2 simple steps to get this cash bonus. And now you may be asking, okay, I've done the steps. When am I going to get that $200 cash bonus? All right. After you satisfy all of the requirements, Bank of America will attempt to deposit the earned bonus directly into your new Bank of America Advantage banking account within 60 days. The new Bank of America Advantage banking account must be open and in good standing up to and including the day any earned bonus is paid. So basically, you need to have this account open and not be in the negatives, anything like that. No, kind of fraudulent behavior, anything like that. Just have an account open in good standing. You can even have a balance in there, no balance, however you want to put it. Just have the account open in good standing. So you may be wondering taxes. Yes, there are taxes associated with this. The value of this bonus may constitute taxable income to you to the extent required by law. Bank of America may withhold tax or other amounts from the payment. And so Bank of America may issue an IRS Form 1099 or other appropriate form to you, the new customer, that reflects the value of this bonus. And they state, please consult your tax advisor, as neither Bank of America, its affiliates, nor their employees provide tax advice. And so if you get this 1099 form from Bank of America, definitely make sure you include that in your taxes. There is a section in your taxes when you fill them out and everything. If you have a 1099 form, any miscellaneous income, something like that, this would qualify for that. So you would need to put that in your taxes. If you do them yourself, there will be a section for a form 1099. If you don't, make sure you just give this information to your tax advisor. So those are the steps right there to get the cash bonus, when you're going to get the cash bonus, and taxes in regards to the cash bonus. So now these 3 checking accounts that qualify for this, all 3 of these accounts are Bank of America Advantage Banking. So when you hear that term Advantage Banking, those are these accounts, personal checking accounts, but they have different features associated with them, but they also have different monthly maintenance fees associated with them as well. So you have the Safe Balance, which is a simple banking checking account. Simple banking with an easy to use experience. This one has a minimum account opening of $25. And there is a monthly maintenance fee of $4.95. Or zero. All of these, as you see, have a monthly maintenance fee or zeros. So there are things you can do to avoid getting that monthly maintenance fee charged on your account. So of course you want to do that if you can. That $200 cash bonus would be more than, a couple months of getting hit with that fee. But if you want that full cash bonus amount, basically, you'll still get the full cash bonus amount even if you get hit with these fees. But me, I would be thinking, if I got hit with 2 of these $12 monthly maintenance fees, I would say, and myself personally, I would say, yeah, I got that $200 cash bonus from Bank of America, but oh yeah, I did have those 2 $12 fees. So really, it's like I got a $176 cash bonus. So it's still a cash bonus in my mind, but that's just how I think sometimes, but you may not. So the simple banking, this one right here, let's see how you can avoid this fee. Bank of America states that they'll waive the $4.95 monthly maintenance fee for each statement cycle when you meet one of the following. If you're an account owner that is under the age of 25. So if you're under 25, they'll waive this fee. Or if you maintain a minimum daily balance of $500 in your account, they'll waive the fee. So if you have at least $500 in the account, they'll waive the fee. You can have more, of course, but that's the minimum, $500. Or if you don't meet those 2 criteria, you can get the fee waived if you are enrolled in Preferred Rewards. And I'll tell you about Preferred Rewards towards the end of the video. First, I want to go over how you can avoid the monthly maintenance fee for all 3 of these checking accounts. So those are the 3 ways right there to avoid the fee with the Safe Balance Simple Banking checking account. Now, the next checking account that will qualify for this cash bonus is the Advantage Plus account. They state that this one is flexible banking to meet your needs. there's a minimum account opening of $100 on this account. So this one has a higher minimum account opening than the safe balance account. And the monthly maintenance fee associated with this account is $12. However, it can be waived as well. Bank of America states that they'll waive the $12 monthly maintenance fee each statement cycle when you meet one of the following. You can have at least one qualifying direct deposit of $250 or more, or maintain a minimum daily balance of $1,500 in this account, or you are enrolled in preferred rewards. So if you meet one of those three criteria, they will waive that $12 monthly maintenance fee. And they have at least one qualifying direct deposit. You're going to want to have that at least once a month to avoid this fee. So at least once a month in this statement cycle of $250 or more to avoid the fee. Or you can have that minimum daily balance of $1,500 in your account. So at least $1,500 in your account per statement cycle. Or you can be enrolled in preferred rewards, which I'll talk about that here soon. So those are three ways to avoid the monthly maintenance fee with the Advantage Plus checking account. Then they have the Advantage Relationship account, which they state is comprehensive banking. Comprehensive banking to make the most of your banking relationship. This one has a minimum account opening of $100, and the monthly maintenance fee with it is $25. However, it can be waived as well. So Bank of America states that they'll waive the $25 monthly maintenance fee associated with this account when you meet one of the following. This one only has two ways to get that fee waived. You can either maintain a minimum daily balance of $20,000 in this account, so at least $20,000 per statement cycle in this account, or you can be enrolled in preferred rewards. So all of these accounts have that option towards the bottom right there, that you can get the fee waived if you are enrolled in preferred rewards. So those are the two ways right there that you can get the fee waived with the Advantage Relationship checking account. Those are the three accounts that qualify for the $200 cash bonus. So really it's up to you to decide which one you want to choose. They all have different features. They don't just differ in regards to their name and their minimum account opening and their monthly maintenance fee. They have different features and things with them. So if you're really interested in having a checking account with Bank of America, I definitely suggest doing some more research on each one of these to see which one you may like the most, because that's going to be the one you probably want to open the account with to see if you like it. If you just want to do the bare minimum with this, do the safe balance one, because the minimum account opening is $25. So it has the lowest minimum account opening. But now I do want to talk about the preferred rewards, because those were three ways to get these monthly maintenance fees waived. So preferred rewards with Bank of America is based upon tiers. So there are different tiers with preferred rewards, and it really is linked to your combined average daily balance. So this is for people that have multiple accounts through Bank of America. Like if you have, a checking account and a savings account and so on and so on, there's a good chance you may meet the criteria of getting in one of these tiers because of your combined 3-month daily balance would be between there. So the gold tier, you see that 20 to 50,000, platinum tier 50 to 100,000, platinum honors tier 100,000 to $1 million, diamond tier 1 million to 10 million. So there are three ways right there how you could do that. And it's really just, it's a lot of information on the website. Definitely, if you're interested into getting into preferred rewards with Bank of America, like I stated, I don't want to drag this video on too long because it's mainly about the sign up bonus, but I want to just kind of go over this briefly because this is one way you could avoid that monthly maintenance fee. However, this is the most involved way to avoid that monthly maintenance fee. The other ways, having a certain minimum balance or being under 25 years old or having direct deposits, they have those requirements for different accounts. Now, I just went over that. So you've heard me and you saw that on the screen. So those ways are definitely easier than being in preferred rewards, because preferred rewards involves you being a part of this and having that 3-month combined average daily balance with one of those tiers, signing up for that and all that. So they have the gold tier and all these different tiers. So you can have definitely a lot of more information. There is a whole site, as you see right here on the screen, dedicated to preferred rewards and information about it. I'll leave the link to this in the description if you're really interested in it. So like I stated, this is the most involved way to avoid the monthly maintenance fees. So if you're really serious about getting involved with Bank of America, then this may be something for you for sure. If you're not, I would definitely say that the easier ways to avoid those monthly maintenance fees, like I stated, under 25, or maintain a minimum daily balance of $500 for that safe balance account, or for the Advantage Plus, you could just have the direct deposits of $250 or more per statement cycle, or have that minimum daily balance of $1,500 in your account per statement cycle. Or if you had the Advantage relationship, you could avoid that fee by having a minimum daily balance of $20,000 in your account. So there are other ways and easier ways to get the monthly maintenance fee waived instead of being signed up and involved with preferred rewards. But I just wanted to briefly go over that. So yes, and that is it with the video about the checking account offer of $200 with Bank of America. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.